Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The iPhone 17 series will launch soon and the details of Apple's next generation flagship phones have leaked online. While the exact launch date is unknown, the camera specs, release timeline, battery details and other features of the iPhone 17 series have surfaced online. People who are waiting for the upcoming iPhones, here is a quick comparison of the iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Pro Max based on their leaked specs. The iPhone 17 series will likely launch in September this year, as has been the case with a few past iPhone events. While it is too early for Apple to confirm the launch date, the launch is expected to happen anytime in the first 2 weeks of September 2025. Apple might introduce a 24-megapixel front camera for the iPhone 17, a substantial upgrade from the current 12-megapixel sensor, which would result in sharper and more detailed selfies. On the rear, the iPhone 17 is expected to continue with a 48-megapixel main camera, though it won't include the 5x telephoto zoom, which is expected to remain exclusive to the Pro models. The iPhone 17 Pro Max, on the other hand, is tipped to come with a 48-megapixel wide camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 48-megapixel tetraprism telephoto camera. If this turns out to be true, then this will be the first iPhone from Apple to pack 3 48-megapixel cameras at the back. Additionally, it could also have support for 8K video recording, which will also be a first for iPhones. At the moment, there's no official word on the battery capacity of the iPhone 17, but the reported increase in screen size could mean Apple is preparing to fit a bigger battery than the 3,582 mAh unit found in the iPhone 16 Pro. If true, this could translate into improved battery life. On top of that, recent leaks suggest Apple may finally introduce 35W fast charging with the iPhone 17 series. A welcome boost over earlier models, though still slower compared to what many Android phones currently offer. Apple is tipped to increase the screen size of the standard iPhone 17. It is expected to feature a 6.3-inch display, an upgrade from the current 6.1-inch on the iPhone 16, aligning it closer to the iPhone 16 Pro. This change will likely appeal to users who prefer larger screens for media consumption. In addition, the iPhone 17 series is expected to introduce promotion technology across all models, meaning that even the base models could feature a 120Hz refresh rate, offering a smoother scrolling and video playback experience on the standard models as well. The iPhone 17 Pro Max, on the other hand, is reported to retain its 6.9-inch screen size. Rumors also suggest that the iPhone 17 series will include an anti-reflective coating, improving outdoor visibility under direct sunlight. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.